This poem is called The Masonic Desecration of the Bloodline of Judah. It is about people who believe that innocent people deserve to die.
All you have to do is help us make a killing, take your videos down, take the eugenic pills, and pretend to like them. You all deserve to die anyway. We're God's chosen.
How you sound? You think innocent people deserve to die? Tyrone? My Mary? You been like you ain't got nothing to say to me.
It is okay, brother. I will use my top martial artist challenge and my poetic applications to expose their treachery and diabolical plans.
One thing I could do, and the only thing, was box.
Can you believe that black punk thinks he's champion of the world?
We're looking for two Negroes in a white car.
Any two will do.
Look carefully, sir. Are these the two men who shot you?
He said no.
Take another look, sir.
Robin Carter, you are sentenced to be imprisoned for the remainder of your natural life.
I'm innocent. I've committed no crime. The crime's been committed against me. I'm dead. Just bury me, please.
As I lay in Apep's prison, intensely and decisively betrayed by women, contemplating the deeper meaning of the W, H, and Y on the deepest levels of truth, inspired by that which walks on the sky. I couldn't help but notice that they are the descendants of the vipers who set my people up to die, while the mental health sector sneer, smirk, gang stalk, and lie, and use covert groups to make it so. I have to cope with their daughters, making my Judah heart